Hello guys, welcome. This is Video Production Avenue. Today in this video, I'm going to take you through a very simple software that if you want to make a very nice tutorials with nice lights. So this software is really nice for you. So you really want to continue up to the end because this video I'm going to show you this app, which is a very nice one, and this is called Proshow Gold, and which is a very nice software. And mostly this channel, this app is really the nice one, and mostly I like it in my video editing process and for kind of tutorials. If you're kind of a teacher or a person that want to record videos without showing your face, this is a nice software for you. And please, this channel is mostly for educating you on your video production skills. Here there are more videos on different softwares, especially video softwares, where you can use them if you kind of want to make a very nice video for online platforms and also for YouTube. So this is what this channel is all about. And please give me a big thumbs up so that to ensure that video can be able to access, many people can be able to access this kind of video here. So my name is Wol Akol, and this is Video Production Avenue, and let's get down to the business. So first, here we are in the dashboard of Proshow Gold, and as you see, this is where everything is. And if you come here, you look at this is the slides where you can design whatever that kind of product that you want to make, and you want to ensure that people can be able to see. So you can design everything according to the minutes that you want to make, and then you really have a nice video for your project. So here we are. Let me show you what this is all about. I'm going to open to you one of the projects that I've been doing recently, and that is a kind of a thing that I believe in one or the other can be able to do good with you. So let's wait a bit as it loads, and let's see. I don't know why it is kind of not responded very well. Okay, this is now loading, and this is one of the projects that I've met, especially one of my past videos that I was making for one of my channels. And this is something on the 10 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. And I want to use this kind of, if I want to make this kind of video tutorials without showing my face, only having the voicing over in most of my video tutorials. And also, like the channel that I love so far, this one that you found this, that you're watching in, and this is Video Production Avenue, and most of my videos so far is without my face there. So, and if too you want to start videos production of video editing, or you want to have kind of an influence online as a content creator and also on YouTube, definitely you need to check the link in the description below, and then you will receive bonus in the process. So this software mostly you can be able to pay. It's not that free. There's a free version, and that free version is limited, so you cannot be able to access other functions, and definitely you need the full version and also the recent one, which has some pictures, which is very nice for you to do the process. So look at how this functions here. This is Proshow, and here we see that this has a very nice face. It comes like having this kind of a nice animations, nice the flow, the transitions, which is very nice for kind of a video. When you go through the process like this, you are having that voice, you're talking over like this, you're able to see that you will be able to enjoy. So that's kind of a nice thing in the process. So hello guys, this channel is all about educating you about online marketing. So in this channel there must a lot of things that you need to be learning about it. So this is Global Affinity Media, connecting you to the online world. 10 reasons why you should start YouTube channels today. Okay guys, so this is about this. So you can be able to go through, you can add many slides as you want, and in the process, and as well as also you can do the process of increasing the timeline, the duration of your project, and even the transitions that you want to make. You can come select effects, then you'll be able to check, and automatically they have some template that loads, and you'll be able to ensure that you can select from the varieties that are available there on the platform. So that makes it a very nice video software. You know, others, they're very complicated, where it is difficult for you to get an automated kind of mostly templates that you can use in your process, which are very nice in your process of your video production. So like this ones here, we'll see there are many of them that you can go through, and then you see how they work. You know, they're of different kind, and depends on what kind of video that you want to make, photography, videography, or whatever kind of thing that you want to make. You can really enjoy them, and very nice intros and outros and all the kind of transitions that you want to make. Like here we have something about different categories, so for like about 242. Here we have the basic footage, the captions and titles, complex montage, essentials. You look at all those, there are a lot of things over here, which is very nice for the process. You will not lack something. If you want to come out to make a very nice tutorials, I'm telling you, this software is for you. So all that you need just is to subscribe to the channel, because in this channel I'm going to post more videos on how to use Proshow Gold in your process. So you will definitely love it, and you will have a very nice skills, and people will really love you, and you gain more subscribers, and you become popular on your particular niche. So that's about it. Here we have the new sites. When you want to come up, when you want to put something new, then definitely you have to click that, and then here you put the title, like say new one, then you go enter. That's the name of the slide, and then definitely you may need to start now injecting whatever that you want to put. Here we have the new, that means that if you have a new project that you want to put, definitely you have to put that. As you've seen, the previous project that we loaded has disappeared because we want to come up with a new project. And then we have an open site where you can be able to open, I say, slideshows, and choose whatever kind of input that you want to import into your project. Here we also have the save button, which is where you can be able to save your process, your project in the process. And then we have the wizard, the add of the blank. But here when I click at this, over the up, a blank page which is ready to go. And here I can add any title that I want to make by just a click, and then definitely there it is. Here I'm just going to put any title that I want to. And here this is where the captions filters is. If you look at the dashboard, look at this pop-up, you see there are a lot of things in this page. So far we have the captions which are supposed to include here. Like say the title that I want to for this video is how use Proshow. So there you go. And with this I can even also increase the size or the font size of my clip, and then also since the color at the background which is dark, that means that I need to change the font color. So to come and click here, and let's say let me try green. Let us see the whole thing out will be okay. Okay, let me try again. Let's say, look at the green, and I say apply. Okay. Then you have this kind of the shrinking that after some seconds. Then we have the placement of all this kind of thing that you want to place it. Where is it, there or here? And sometimes even you can change the background color. Like here, when I come to the background color, and then I see what kind of color do I want to make. Do I need an image that I can install? Like for instance, I say I need an image. I'm trying to click this part, and then I browse so that I can get let me just select any file in my computer and see whatever is available there so that you can make it. So if you can, when you want to make kind of a transition where you have a very nice pictures at the background, which is really good for you. So here we go. Going to work on YouTube, and then I'm just going to select any photo for the sake of this tutorial. Let me just go to royalty free photos. Then I select which one I think will work. Let me just look at okay, let me look at what, okay, let me just say this one. Okay, open. There it is. So I already have my photo at the background, and here also you can even also apply a video at the background. You can fix a video at the background where you find that you are communicating, and then definitely something is happening at the background there. So okay, so this is just a brief ways of how you can start with this, and I think there's really nothing much here as far as this is concerned. So there it is, just something very nice, and that's really good. So please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below on what you want the next video to be about, or what skills are you still struggling with as for your video editing skills is concerned, so that it can be worked upon. So please, see you in the next